Alright, hello everyone and welcome. Today I have a really exciting partnership to announce, and right here I have not one but two in partnership with the dandelion fox, Carly Gee. So we have partnered with the dandelion fox to create two different sets of clear stamps for you to use. One featuring the dandelion fox's, her aesthetic is a lot to deal with dried flowers, florals, framing, and pressing. So we have this really cute dried floral arrangement in a frame with some additional embellishments, and of course, her cute fox. This set features the phrase, "Light of my life." And the second set here has some additional staging, almost taxidermy-esque, with the corked bottle, and you can interchange the items in that bottle. So really cute, unique, a little bit outside the box. And of course, be sure to check Carly out on the Dandelion Fox on Instagram, and of course, there's some other information on the back. So again, we here at Rubber Stamps are so excited to have this partnership, and I'm going to be sharing a quick tutorial on what I would use and what I would create using her stamps. So with that said, I'm going to be sticking to this set right here for now because it has this really just focal point with the frame. I've used my Cricut to cut out all of my embellishments, my clear blocks, small and large, tape glue, archival ink from Ranger, as always, in jet black, and some other additional tools. And today I'm going to go in with my colored pencils. Markers I think are going to be a bit too vibrant for the color palette that I want to go for, so colored pencils it is. Set those aside. I have my card partially assembled, so what I did is this kind of buttery buttermilk color. This is 4 inches tall by 11 inches wide. And all I did was just kind of eyeball the fold so that there was roughly 2 inches of space on the right hand side. So all I did was fold, and then I just attached this really cool botanical cardstock that I got from the craft store. Everything else is just textured cardstock here in white, buttermilk, and this really pretty, almost dark navy. So with that said, I think I'm going to crack open these sets and get to work. I really like the packaging for this as well, so you could use this for inspiration. But for today, I'm going to follow the botanical, almost like scientific poster design that I have here. I like that the frame is totally filled in the center as well, so you don't have to worry about any bits or pieces falling off or sticking in a weird kind of crooked direction. Looks like it's all good. Now today I'm just going with black, but this frame and floral pattern could look really pretty with any muted tones, browns, even some dark greens, just to pick up any additional floral elements. But I'm going to use my pencils to add a little bit of that life. And there we go. Now that I have everything stamped, I'm going to kind of arrange things in the way that I am thinking in my brain. I might have this come off to the side just so the eye moves in the right-hand direction. But to counterbalance some of this extra space that I have, I might even tuck come on, you little bugger. Some pieces behind like this. Something like that. Okay. I'm not going to make any decisions on that yet though, because I need to add some color. There. Now it's not so intense. All right, let me go in. Okay. Just taking my foam feet. And I'm going to go in each corner. And a little bit on the top. I could even have it look like it was hanging, but I think I'm just gonna go like that. Now I don't want to put any foam feet on life because if I were to do that, now I can't open my card. So I'm just going to reinforce my and have some tape under light of, and then that way not only is this secured by the frame, but then this is also secured by the backer. A little bit more delicate, maybe a little bit more piecemealy, but for the sake and the aesthetic, we're gonna do it. So I'm just gonna take a teeny tiny foam foot, put that there. Gonna go like that. And push that down. All right, and I have all of my pearls here. I think I'm gonna play with some of these larger pearls just to fill up some of this blank space on the border. So I like doing it with an X-Acto knife because I get a lot more control. Tighten that up a little bit. There we go. Can go right there. And like that. And I like using the X-Acto knife too, just because if I change my mind, I can just simply lift up. So you can go like that. Okay. All right, I just did some slight adjusting to a couple things that I thought needed to be cleaned up. And at this point, I'm going to stop because I've reached the point where I believe everything is good. And if I continue working, I'm probably going to do something that I end up not wanting. So again, this is in tandem with the Dandelion Fox, and here at RubberStamps.com we have 2 sets available for you to purchase, and as always, be sure to check not only Dandelion Fox out on Instagram, but us as well. In lieu of that, please make sure to hit us with the hashtag #StampWithUs. Again, that's hashtag #StampWithUs so that we can see what you will create next. Thanks for joining.